everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication on your eToro account using your eToro mobile app. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up your eToro application and make sure to log in to your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines appearing at the top left corner of your home page. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside your Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Account. Under Account, swipe down and you will be able to see the Two-Factor Authentication button. Toggle on the button right next to Two-Factor Authentication. Now, you will need to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device via SMS. Go ahead and type in the code as you receive it. After you are done, you will then be able to enable two-factor authentication on your eToro account. Turning on two-factor authentication, you will need to enter a verification code each time you log in, providing an extra layer of security for your eToro account. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.